Spooky and Sweet just got a little sweeter. Taking inspiration from vintage decorations, this nostalgic collection continues the magical story of the adventures of All Hallows Eve, where a little witch named Peppermint and her new best friend Mocha discover playful skeletons and dancing pumpkins to join their Halloween party. This collection is filled with sweet candy, whimsical pumpkins, and witches' brooms, and everything we love about this magical holiday. Get in the Halloween spirit with the 18 premium quilting cotton prints, perfectly balanced with blenders, medium-sized prints, and large-scale designs ideal to piece together in your patchwork projects. Now don't get spooked and get straight to the fun of the project with our Spooky and Sweeter 100% premium cotton fabric panel. Already printed on a large scale, ready for on-the-go projects like trick-or-treating tote bags, plushies, and so much more. Make your own Halloween memories by creating magical quilts like our Charmed Again free quilt pattern, an easy beginner pattern where you can show off the unique color palette of this collection. In the description box below, you'll find the Spooky and Sweeter fabric lookbook, link that will show you a variety of sewing projects that you can recreate. Discover tons of patchwork projects that we put together for you like spooky decorations, wall art, quilts, and quilt blocks. Even have fun sewing up the sweetest apparel pieces with the one knit print available called Winging It Dark. This playful print would look good on any kid, teen, or adult of any age. We have so many matching blender fabrics you can play with for this collection, and you can find a full list of all the colors that are shown in this video in the description box below. As always, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to the Art Gallery Fabrics channel to stay up to date with the latest collections. And until next time, happy sewing!